The most powerful AI tool to date, Sora II, along with 2 other powerful AI tools, lets you create stunning, high-quality videos like this, with no watermark at all. And the best part, it's completely free, and you can generate videos for unlimited time. But the real question is, how? You're going to find out everything in this video. Plus, many AI tools often add unwanted objects into your visuals. I'll show you exactly how to remove them as well. And since Grok AI has already become paid, all of these Super Grok alternatives are going to be extremely useful for you. Inside Qwen AI, a lot of new features have been added. Because of this, you can now create unlimited videos with sound, completely free and without any watermark. To access it, you'll find the links to all these AI tools on Telegram. From there, you can come directly to this website. After creating your account, you'll notice that this AI offers multiple tools for free, like image editing, website development, and much more. You can also generate images and create videos. First, let's generate an image, and then we'll convert that image into a video. Paste your prompt here to create a high-quality image for free. Then click here to select the aspect ratio of the image and hit generate. That's it. After this, your image will start generating, and within a few seconds, your high-quality image will be ready. To download the image, you can click on the download option here, or use the alternative download button available. Now, if you want to animate this image, simply click on the image, then click on Animate Image below. Your image will be added to the text box. Paste the prompt to animate the image into the text box and press enter. Within a few seconds, this high-quality image will be converted into a high-quality video, completely free and without any watermark. You can download it as well. If you already have your own image and want to animate it, just click on the plus icon, upload your image, and then paste the animation prompt here. After that, click generate, and your image will be converted into a stunning video. Again, free and without any watermark, which you can download. That covers image to video. Now, if you want to create a video directly from text, paste your video prompt here. Select the aspect ratio and click generate. It's that simple. Within seconds, your text will turn into a high-quality video with no watermark. And you can download it too. Click here, and our next AI tool is Pixver. Here as well, you can create unlimited videos. Download its official app from the Play Store. After that, when you create an account, it's best to use a temporary email. Click here and create your account. As soon as your account is created, you'll receive credits. And when you click here, you'll see different ways to earn credits. You also get 30 credits daily just for logging in. This means to work freely and almost unlimited, you'll need around 4 to 5 accounts. Now let's see how you can create videos for free using this AI. After that, we'll look at how to generate unlimited videos from Sora II. In Pixver, click on the plus icon, then select text. Now paste the type of prompt for the video you want to create. Click here to choose the video quality. Higher quality will consume more credits. After setting everything up, click on create, and your video will start generating. You can click here to check the progress. Once the video is ready, click on it, and you'll see the download option at the top. Click on it, then select MP4, and your video will be downloaded. If you want to create a video from an image, the process is also very simple. Click on the plus icon first, then upload your image from here. Now paste the prompt to convert the image into a video. When you click here, your prompt will be enhanced, but you can only use this feature 5 times. I still have 4 uses left. Now click on create, and your image to video generation will start. You can also check it in your profile. Once the video is ready, you can download it from here as well. Now our next AI tool is Sora II. Now from here on, you need to follow everything step by step. Only then will you be able to access Sora II. You'll find a link on Telegram, this one. Click on it, and you'll land on this website. Here, click on Try Opal now. Then scroll a bit and click on Try Opal again. As soon as you do that, all your Gmail accounts will appear. First, create an account using any Gmail. Once your account is ready, you'll see a lot of AI tools created by different users. Now we'll access Sora II. For that, click on Create New. You will find a prompt in the comment section. Copy it and paste it here. Then press enter, and within a few moments, this interface will appear. Right now, we are in the editor section. On the side, you'll see the app option. Click on it. Now you can generate videos here. First, upload the image you want to turn into a video by clicking here. Without pasting any prompt, just press enter once. After that, paste the animation prompt for the image you uploaded and press enter again. Your image will start converting into a video, and within a few seconds, a high-quality 8-second video will be ready. If you want to download it in 4K quality, click here to download. You can also click on the 3 dots and download it from there. There will be no watermark anywhere, and the video will be generated in high quality with sound. If you want to create another video, click here to go back to this page. Again, click on the plus icon, upload your image, press enter, then paste the animation prompt and press enter. Your image will convert into a video again, and you can download it. You can see the quality yourself. It's absolutely impressive. Now, if you want to generate a video in 9:16 aspect ratio, click here to go back, upload a 9:16 image, press enter, then paste your prompt and press enter again. Your video will be created in that aspect ratio. With one account, you can generate around 6 to 8 videos daily. Many AI tools add unwanted objects in videos. To remove them, install this application from the Play Store. After opening it, click on Video. Then use this selection box to mark the unwanted object like this. After that, click on Save. Select 1080p and tap the check mark. Your video will be saved, and the unwanted object will be completely removed. And if you want to explore alternatives to Grok AI, you can watch this video. It's extremely important for you.